That shit lit. They about to whoop his ass. Nah, this shit crazy. And this stick. YouTube, what is up everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be hitting a highway mob Orlando meet. If you guys know about Orlando and Florida, you guys should know about highway mob. So we're going to head to Orlando. We're going to go to their meet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, make sure you guys slap this like button. If you guys are new, subscribe to their channel, and let's get right into the video. Damn, I haven't seen a clean CB7 in a minute. It been clean. That shit lit. Yeah. That nigga riding the fucking cooler, my nigga. That shit clean. That bitch on the tire.
Bang, bang, bang.
Nah, that shit is clean. TVs. Came out here with the Static Boys and the Bag Boy Heno. This nigga is tucking. Nigga's tucking that shit. Oh yeah, they about to whoop his ass. Big clean. I think this nigga lived by us.
It's at 82A towards State Road 408 and East-West Expressway.
Just made it to the second meet. Holy shit.
I'll put the stock on it. Tire pop didn't even DB.
Man, I told you too. I was like,
Eat it. Clean ass MR2. And this shit slam. Low boys. Damn, the dump boys. Amakel, where you at? Oh nah, that boy Amakel gonna like this one. Let's see, you got the clear tails? Hold on. That shit icy. Nah, this shit crazy. And a stick. Stick shift LS. Whew. They got the CRV. Now they got the CRV on the Mustangs. That be clean. back in Poinciana. That meet was pretty lit. We over here at good old Wendissimo, nigga. About to eat good. If this line don't hurry the fuck up, nigga. Damn, boy, who that sexy ass? Alright guys, your boy made it home. I don't know if I'm going to be continuing the video tomorrow or I'm going to just end it right here. But if I do, make sure you guys slap that like button. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Nick Stacks. I'm out. Peace.
If it's smoke, nigga say so. Yeah, I keep a couple killers by my payroll. I was fucked up, down, bad down in my dick, little dirty dust, nigga with the same clothes. Now she wanna notice me, I hate hoes. In that Hellcat, serving through these potholes. I ain't gon' say shit, nigga, case closed. If you make a move, hit him with a Draco. Rolls Royce truck, brother for the rain.